Hi YouTube, Vistra here. I'm here today to share with you my planner tote bag. I purchased this from Home Depot for about $25. It is the Husky 17-inch tool tote bag. It has plenty of storage in the front for pens, and it has storage on the inside for pens as well, if you can see there. And on the side here is just a ring. I went in and asked the sales associate, do you have a metal ring with an opening to it? And he brought me this. I think it was in the closet section area. It had a hanger on it, and I just slipped the little hanger off, and it has an opening for you to take the washi off and on right there. I don't know if you can see that. See? So I just open it and take it off wherever. And 3 items from Home Goods. Altogether they were $9. I keep my adhesive here. In this one I have page flags, sticky notes, notepads. And this one I have the stamps. I keep some of my stamp collections there with a stamping pad. These are mostly stamps that I use in my planners. Put this back. And here I purchased this at Dollar Tree, and in here I have placed a lot of my stickers in here. It's great sticker storage. Easily get to it. I have watercolor markers for when I'm journaling. Paper clips, some more pens, some more notes, sticky notes. I really like this. It came from, I think, Hobby Lobby. No, it's Home Goods. I purchased this from Home Goods. Wow. And I keep a journal card in here from Project Life, so when I need to use some journaling cards, I have them readily available. And a few sticker books from Walmart, and some midori inserts, the grid kind. I really like writing on the grid. And on the side, if you notice, they have huge pockets on the sides here. If you can see on the side right there, huge pockets. And on the back, same thing. Great deal. 2 deep pockets there as well on that side. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, hit like and subscribe down below. See you next time.